Hey guys, it's Jody Fitz. Are you ready for back to school? Well, you're going to be with this smoothie. This is one of my all-time back to school favorites. I already have 3 cups of ice in my blender, and now I'm simply going to add 2 cups of 100% orange juice. Great energy booster to start the day. 1 cup of milk, your favorite, or you can use coconut milk if you want. Adds a nice tropical kind of flavor. Then I have a half a cup of carrot juice, 100% pure carrot juice. You can find this, guys, right in your Price Chopper Market 32 supermarkets in the produce area. They have a delicious one now that has ginger and turmeric in it if you want to add that into the fun. And so we're adding all the colors of the rays of the sun because I call this smoothie the Sun's Up Smoothie. I'm going to add in a banana, a little bit of vanilla yogurt, a splash of vanilla, and then it's up to you guys, a little bit of honey, and this is optional. And that's it. We're gonna blend this up. And now it's ready to be served. All right, I added a straw, and now we're ready to start the school year.